we got here? Oh, what? Oh man, hold on. Here comes the bride. Here comes the groom. It's too bright. Yes. That's better. Whenever you're cleaning your shoes, make sure you have a lit candle, shoe trees, shoe cloth, clean water, bing, cleaning solution. I got all 3 Reshoevn8r brushes. It's too dark. Hold on. Let me just turn on the lights. Where's the... Oh. Happy birthday to me. Actually, no, it smells good. Oh. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. Welcome to our cleaning tutorial. And this is my customer's pair. He actually has leather laces with the gold tippity tips. He wants just the outside clean. He wants to put sole shields on the bottom. Pick a side. Looking clean, looking fresher. All right, sole shields. Here we go again. Just a heads up, this is not going to be a full in-depth tutorial. If you really want to know how to install the sole shields from Reshoevn8r, check out my other videos that I posted on YouTube. I'm just going to show you some baby steps for this one. Okay. Contents. You get 2 sole shields right here. Fits up to size 13. 2 cleaning pads. 4 traction drag pads. For proper installation, make sure you always read the instructions. You're gonna need heat gun, a cloth, which they don't freaking tell you, pen or marker, good scissors, and of course, a flat freaking surface. This is a Milwaukee brand. I'm used to this, so I'm going to use the lowest setting. If you have a heat gun, just make sure you know what you're doing. Don't burn yourself. Be careful, it's going to get hot. I'm only going to need 1, so let's put that aside. Now, for Reshoevn8r, they never have traction on one side. You need to stick the crap on. So the glossy, shiny side, always face down. If you try to do it the other way around, you're dum-dum. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is live, just don't mess up, Leon. This is actually my last sole shields in stock. Oh crap, let me test the pen and make sure it works. All right, it's good to go. Actually, let me change the camera so you guys can see, so you don't see my face. Cool. Oh, if you're bored, just do a little doodle. Make sure that your pen is like this, up and down, straight up and down. Ooh, this takes a lot of frickin' skills. Almost messed up there. Can you guys see this? All right, doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, you're going to cut the frickin' sole shields. Voila, put this somewhere else, because it stinks. Look at this. Look at this doodling. Isn't it beautiful? Now, grab your scissors. Boop, boop, boop. And some people like to cut on the line, outside the line, just inside the line. For me, I actually like to cut just outside the line, maybe 1 or 2 millimeters around it. So let's go ahead and cut this. Voila. What do? Give it back to your customer. Take a look at this. Not perfect. Doesn't matter. Open this expensive magazine alcohol freaking pad. grab the shoe. What we're gonna do is wipe the surface and let that dry before we apply this sole shield on. Now I know that I already cleaned the bottoms, just in case there's a stupid dirt, lint, whatever, fingerprints. So just do this all the way through. I'm gonna put the shoe like so you guys can actually see. Oh man, glossy side. Okay, facing out. All right, let's peel the stupid film. Oh, I got it in one shot this time. Okay, peel this. All right, and what I'm gonna do is just lay it on the outsole. Don't mess this up. Ah! Almost messed up. Nope. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like this. Yikes. Ah! Okay. Is it covering enough? No, it's not. Redo. Don't worry, this is okay. You can redo this if you mess up like me. All right, cool. That looks good. Much better. Much better. Check this out. All right. Now make sure the film is actually past the rubber edge, because if it's not, then you're not going to be able to wrap this stupid thing up. Just use your delicate hands and start smoothing out this film. Make sure that it's sticking on to the rubber. Sweet. Next step, grab the garbage. Make sure that you always give it back to the customer. I'm going to turn my heat gun on. Woo! All right, there you go. Get a cloth just in case. Reshoevn8r never tells you to do this. It's getting hot. All right, I'm gonna focus like this. Look at the distance that I'm placing my gun. I'm gonna probably target this area for a good, I don't know, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Make sure that it's softening up the stupid sexy film. When you feel like it's soft enough, you can actually go ahead and start wrapping up the butt area. Check that out. It's already adhering, okay? So keep working the entire outsole section by section. Make sure you're rolling it in to out as you're doing this. When it's all done, I'm gonna show you exactly how this looks like. I'm gonna actually finish the left side off camera. Should I do this in front of you guys and time-lapse this video? Nah. Oh man, oh man, oh man, this is so fun. Oh yeah. My electricity bills. Just make sure you don't heat it too much and then make a hole in this film. If you do that, you're gonna have to redo. Alright, I'm gonna go in circular motions because circular motions is cooler. 30 minutes later, feels like a day later for me. This is how it is for the right side. Woo! Okay, that's enough. Grab your 2 traction pads. Just stick it on to the areas that need traction. Now, I'm gonna peel this. I'm gonna stick this one like so. Grab the other one and place it like so on the heel area, because that's where the high traffic wear is. All right, good enough. Let's make sure everything is nice and secured. Last step, your garbage, always give it back to the customer. Cool. Cool. Don't forget to do the other side. I'm going to do a little bit of toe box crease reduction using the hot iron method. Laces, they're clean, so make sure you lace up the shoes. Whatever. Take a sexy photo. Clean up after yourself. Clean up your crap. Ooh, almost forgot. Garbage. Yeah. No. And just call it a day. You're done. Here it is. Alright, who needs Sole Shields? Just wear your frickin' shoes. Ugh. Let's forget this one too. There you go. Okay, that looks a lot better.